Hey there! Welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me all those places: Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. This is the second January 2019 Target Beauty box. Somehow it slipped past the goalie and got hidden, and I pulled it out of the beauty vault. The theme is Hello, Skinsational. So it's all about perfecting your beauty routine, starting with skincare. So it's products to keep your complexion fresh, dewy, and radiant. Hashtag Target Beauty Box. So let's get into the products. So hey, oh, we got a spy. Cat wants to get in on the video, I guess, or not. There she goes. Anyway, Skinsational. It's all about having awesome possum skin. So we have the Vichy Mineral 89. I've gotten this like 3 or 4 times in Target beauty boxes, advent calendars, stuff like that. It's a mineral-rich water and hyaluronic acid that fortifies the skin to make it resistant to visible aging. So you put like 2 drops on your skin after cleansing, and you rub it in, put it on your moisturizer, your makeup. You can also put it on in the evening. It's freaking awesome. It's very lightweight. I like it. Then we have Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub for washing all that makeup off, getting all this off at the end of the night, or getting off all your serums and heavy creams in the morning. Yes, you should wash your face with cleanser in the morning to get off like sleeping mask and everything like that. That way you don't have dull looking skin. So, and then lock in the moisture with moisturizing cream. This is for the body, but they also make it for the face. It's awesome. So this is fragrance free. Works great if you have some skin allergies. Then we have the Dove Derma Series Body Lotion Replenish. So good for dry skin. By the way, ow, making some noise. She decided to play on the cat tower while I'm recording. Way to go, cat. Speaking of dry skin, if your skin feels like that sounds, you probably need this lotion. Then we have the, oh geez, why? I knew I should have been better at studying my French on my Rosetta Stone. LaRoche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Cleanser. I probably butchered that. Hit me in the comments. I know you'll destroy me anyway. It is what it is. Anyway, it's face cleanser. This box is heavy on cleaning and moisturizing, which I love. You know, gotta keep that skin clean. Then we have, also from LaRoche-Posay, Redermic R. It's a potent retinol cream that visibly reduces wrinkles, smooths texture, and helps with skin tone. And then you apply moisturizer on your face first to water down the potency. So what you could probably do is also mix it with your moisturizer. Just a little hack there. Then we have CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. Remember what I said about washing your face in the morning? That's because you're gonna, this is kind of thick, and it's probably gonna be a little heavy, and you're gonna want to wash it off in the morning. So, little night cream. Yeah, see? You can tell it's kind of thick just by. Anyway, oh, and a $3 coupon that's expired now. Why? Because I let this box sit around since January. Anyway, that's the box. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, got it upside down. I always do that. That's where to follow me. And until then, stay cleansed, moisturized, and beautiful.